All right, guys, here we go. All right, so back on site again. As you guys see, um, guys, I filled this whole dumpster up. I think this thing was, I filled it up myself. Just the way I get my little workout in. As my son said, well, what are you on for that? A cookie? But yeah, guys, I went ahead and filled this up myself. But as you guys, you see here, man, we about to get this thing, about to get this siding on here. Things are starting to look good. I got a couple different things that I got to do. Let me push this up a little bit. Got a couple different things that I need to do. I don't know how we're gonna get drywall in here, man. I just don't. Geez, I let them figure it out. But I came through here and I cleaned everything up. What I'm doing today, I'm gonna do a count of things I'm gonna send back, and we can kind of walk through this bad boy, guys. So I got it all cleaned up back here, man. I'm gonna had way more product than what I need, guys. You can kind of see it then got cleaned up around here. Really clean. You guys see up here, you guys can see, I actually changed this. This right here was gonna be, it was gonna be the little shake things. And I changed this right here because no one's gonna, when you paint it, it's gonna be a white color. You're not gonna really be able to tell the difference. So I got some stuff right here. This is going back. This is a whole lot of siding. I think I had a $17,000 siding bill, guys. So this stuff going, these are shingles, got to go back. That's going to go back. We got too much of that. But I'm going to come out here and I'm going to stack this stuff, guys. I'm going to stack all this right here, got to go back. All this right here over here, got to go back. So I probably got about, guys, I may have about, it's about $3,000 worth of stuff got to go back. And I try to keep them in, like I keep this right here on the inside. I keep it inside up under the garage so that we could, so they won't get too much, won't get too wet. Because guys, if it's not, if they can't resell it, they're not gonna take it back. So if you drive nails and things like that in it, they're not gonna take it back. So we had electrical inspection, we had the plumbing inspection, and we actually failed both of them. The electrical inspection was the reason we failed that one. Yeah, there was a couple of things that he did. Yeah, he had to. Yeah, he had to get these right here, guys. You guys see this right here? He had to get this right here. If you look at this wire, this is a number 6 wire. This is for my car chargers. It doesn't need to be too close to this exterior wall. So he had to staple them and hold them away from this exterior wall so that if I shot a nail through here, it's not going to penetrate that wire. I had that in 2 places. And then I had an area. So my electrician got to come back because there's a couple different things I want to do. I want to put some lights on those stairs. He actually put the wire right here, but I'm gonna put some. I marked where I need those, like right here. I'm gonna put some boxes there for lights up the stairs without having the light on. And then we're gonna have. He didn't put a light. He didn't put lights right up here. You guys kind of see right up there. So you got to have a light on the porch. So those are the things that he failed. That's it. Also, I put my coffer ceilings up here. You guys can kind of see my coffer ceilings up here. I put that up here. And I'm going to have a light in each one of these holes here. So that goes in the center. That's the ceiling fan. But each one of these holes here, we're going to have a light there. So I got to put that there. I got to get a quote on my little wall that's going to go in the back right here. This actually end up, guys, this is one inspection failed because we didn't have these little things right here, guys. But this right here needs to go on the inside. I don't know why they got it right here. It goes on the inside to protect this right here. But it actually, this shouldn't go over on top of the shower pan. I would think it would. So we got that. So the next thing that we got going on here, we got one more inspection, mechanical, but I have to call in a mechanical inspection. I don't know why Shelby County does it that way. I have to call that mechanical inspection in. Oh, we also got all the doors and stuff. The height of the doors are the right size now. The headers, where's that header at? That, yeah, there we go. That header right there. We got them all it was at the wrong height, guys. So we got everything at the right height now. I've already ordered all the interior doors. This is something else I did right here, guys. It's another good idea. So this right here is a double door, but it had it at 8 feet. So I framed it at 6'8". The reason I framed it at 6'8" is because on those double doors, because the doors are so long, it's hard to keep those doors together, perfectly even with one another, all the way from the top to the bottom. So a 6'8" door would be better. I had that problem happen to me in another house of mine. That was one of my punch out items, and the homeowner's like, well, no, these doors supposed to be even all the way down. You know, I was like, man, wood is, the moisture moves out of the wood. And I know we got hollow core doors. Now, if you did MDF doors, it may hold a little bit better, but so that's why I switched that over. I got to get power over in that little thing right there where my little insert right there is gonna go. So I got this bad boy ready, man. Well, guys, the next step is gonna be, I got to get the mechanical inspection. But I got to bring my ERV. So I got my ERV. It should have been here Sunday. Energy recovery ventilation system. What that does is that exchanges the air, the outside inside air, but it conditions it when it brings it in so that you won't have negative pressure in your house, because this house is going to be extremely tight. This is going to be an extremely tight house. We're going to have open cell foam. And so, it's going to be very passively energy efficient. I had to put these right here, little blockings right here on the tub. So there's just little things that I did, had my guys to come in and do. Next thing is gonna be my sheetrock guys, gotta come in and do their thing. So when the sheetrock guys come in and do their thing, I've already ordered the interior trim doors, and I typically do that myself, guys. I don't I don't call the trim guy to come out here and do it. Now, I came back here, I only got one wet area that's leaking. I'll show you what that is. I came back during the rain when they had the roof on. So we just got the roof on this thing. But I got to come in, and I got to let my guys come in and do the metal. I had a leak right here. Well, I got this right here part not quite done yet. So we're still getting a little wetness over there, man. But when I get my metal roof on, that'll take care of that. But everything else looks good, man. Got everything done. We got to order my brick. Once I get my brick up, I can put my septic tank in, or my septic stuff in, and I had that ready. So I'm gonna hold on to. So I got some shingles right there. I'm gonna hold on to those. The other ones I'll take away. You guys okay? Everything good? You about done now, ain't you? That about it? That's it. And I'll see y'all on the next job. So we got one that we're doing over here in Trussville. So I got another one in Trussville. So I give you guys a call on that one. Do I need to call a bell or call you? Call you? Don't call the bell? Okay. All right, man. You guys have a good one. Man, I almost be about to fall down here, man. But these guys did a really good job on this siding. Tell you what, man. This guy and I think it's him and his wife. I actually had this here, man. I was gonna go in here, count everything. So I really need to count what I'm sending back. But let me just show you this, guys. What I want to do, before I start counting, I'm gonna count this up. Let's go ahead and count this stuff up. I'm gonna have it sitting right out here so they can pull that mop it up here and reach up under and grab it. So I got that. And I'm gonna do the same thing with these guys right here. All that stuff on the inside, I'm gonna put it on top of some lumber. But I gotta come back and I gotta count all this stuff. So I'm gonna let these guys finish up. And I'm gonna count and put everything right here, take a picture of it. And I gotta have an accurate count of it so I can know what kind of credit I'm gonna get back. Okay? Oh, man, we got a lot of stuff gotta come back. Jeez. Yeah, I had to get me and my son, gotta come back over here and count this stuff out. So, you know, I'm gonna put my gym equipment right here. It's gonna be a good little place. All right. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. You guys have a good one.